Hello everybody, my name is Andre Little and this is my week 1 project review for Visual Frameworks term 1309. The topic for my app is a weight loss slash calorie tracking app that I call the Mega Weight Loss Project. And basically what it does is it determines your workout schedule based on the calories that you took in that day. And before we get to the add item.html page, I'm going to show you guys the launch page both in Coda and on the iOS simulator. So on the iOS simulator, we got the 2 paragraph tags. We have an H2 tag. We have an H1 tag. We also have an anchor tag with an href attribute that sends you over to the add item.html page. So let's go ahead and click that. And once you get to the add item.html page, we have the date, and you can select the date or whatever. We also have a mealtime drop down box where we got 3 different choices: breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Once you make your choice, you cannot choose make a choice again because it's disabled within the app. We have an input type text field to where you can type in what you had, the item you had. For the total fat, carbs, and protein, we have a placeholder attribute with the value how many grams. So once you click on that, it disappears. The how many grams placeholder disappears. Serving size, we're gonna imagine we have 3. We have 3. That's a range slider for the serving size. The add item radio buttons. If you had something else with your eggs, you'll click yes. Like you had bacon, you'll click yes. You didn't have nothing else. You just had 3 eggs. You just click no. Notes about meal. We had 3 boiled eggs. So once we have everything filled out, we'll click continue, and it will store the data. But right now we can't store the data, so it just refreshes the page. Also at the bottom of the screen we have display store data, clear and clear store data. These are anchor tags wrapped in a navigation tag. So let's get into some of these questions. How do you think the lessons learned will help you in future activities? The lessons that I learned by HTML, I feel like HTML is the structure, so it will help me with future projects like video game making, app making, website making, and even future courses that I'll be taking later on down the line in Full Sail. How this activity fits in and builds upon things that I learned in previous activities. In SDI, we learned about JavaScript, and basically JavaScript is the behavior of a site or behavior of an app, and HTML is the structure. So you can't have the behavior of something if you ain't got no structure of it. So now I learned about the behavior. Now I'm learning about the structure. So everything is starting to build on it, build on to each other. Things you discovered were easier. HTML, the whole programming language of HTML, I felt like was easier because before I came to the class, I was actually doing TeamTreehouse.com, and that basically prepared me for the HTML we will be learning in this class. Problems you encountered or things that I thought was hard. Some of these tags we didn't learn over at Team Treehouse, so I had to do a lot of research on those, like the article tag, the header tag. I like to take notes, and I didn't have nothing in my notes for those, so I feel like that was harder or whatever, or kind of difficult. So that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching, and see ya.